Shugor naga Phlim jong Nongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenagakerjaan Pertai ke Sarkar Jela ba Pol Lingdo ulam mudur ba personal security officer ba Draibar jong habaki syong baro sisngi hapok kali Ialehkai Pubg Hynrei ki Peit Phlim Khasi lingba ke hello Meghalaya. Ya gini ki kentino ba Pol open pau ba ajing kren ko musimbot kongsan ke jingelang ban pelat iki kindon ban ajing iram iki nong penmi Phlim ha Meghalaya ban shna Phlim lingba ke hello Meghalaya ke balalong menta ke sngi ke khan nyotrik no pra ha courtyard by Marriott. Uba Pol loong lingba ke hello Meghalaya kan kenteu ye ki sap ki phong jong ki samla ha po ke jela lingba ki kam ak Phlim.
A round of applause for very sharp afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Superfan number 3, Lieutenant Bakmenlang Sotun. Lieutenant Bakmenlang Sotun from Nongman South. Superfan number 4, Pinskai Marbanyang from Meghalaya. Here's an interesting story. The OTT is registered in Pinskai Marbanyang and the wife has come to take it, but she told me that Kiara, her daughter, is the one who watches the Meghalaya OTT platform. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Once the baby watches, you have to watch along.
The kind of fledgling infrastructure that we have, yet we have been able to carve a name for ourselves. I remember a particular afternoon when I asked my driver and PSO, what do you guys do sitting in the car the whole day? Were you playing Pubg or something? And they said, no, we were watching Khasi movies on the OTT platform. It has become a brand by itself. And as rightly mentioned by Dr. Vijay, very few state governments have done this, nor have been successful in doing this. But having said that, I also believe in that philosophy, in the saying that when you look back at what you have done, you think you have accomplished so much. But when you look ahead at what remains to be done, there is so much more to be done. Festive season, the holiday season will give us enough space to ruminate, to think, to ponder, look back, and plan ahead to 2025, the year when Shillong has been named as the most sought tourist destination by Indian tourists. It's a year that I'm sure will be a benchmark for Meghalaya's tourism, and hopefully a lot of more good things will be happening. And today, what we are doing to the filmmakers and the filmmaking fraternity is to handhold them. But we look forward to a day when they should be in a position to stand on their own and show to the rest of the world that we have more than adequate talent, that we are superb, and we are second to none. Something once again that could be possible only because our department has a very deeply committed team spirit, and under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, today Meghalaya has reached a stage where we do not any longer encourage just festivals and events, but our state is also sending its musicians, its artists, and its filmmakers right across the world. I am happy to note that Dominic Sangma and his movie Rapture has gone as far as the Locarno Film Festival. It's not a mean achievement. So I think the film fraternity deserves one more round of applause, and for the the first time we had an international icon endorsing Meghalaya tourism through one of our products, and also the fact that he had landed at the Shillong airport, which just goes to show that, well, the sky is the limit. I particularly like the fact that I also was welcomed with this green shawl, because just last week we had winter tales where the theme was Go Green. And today I'm sure that your day-long deliberations, the panel discussions would have been able to flag a number of very important issues, the challenges ahead of us, but also, more importantly, I think it's a moment that allows us to pause and see how far we have grown in a relatively short period of time. Moment of pride, of a sense of accomplishment for us in the Department of Tourism to be able to celebrate this day. I didn't realize until I got this invite that today I'm 6 months older than when we launched the OTT platform, which has now gained a lot of traction and has become popular not just in Meghalaya but even far beyond the frontiers of Meghalaya. Dr. Vijay, if you noticed, when he walked in, he had draped our Rindia, which is grown by, created by the weavers of Obden village of Riboy district. That particular Rindia of his has been made popular by none other than Brian Adams. When we met here and we welcomed him, he was welcomed with that particular Rindia at the Shillong airport.